I come to the point. The state is Tailwindcss for installation error problem. If you're in your project Tailwindcss for not working, you can create a folder or file. Create a file tailwindcss.ts, or you if you use JS for project, you can also css.js. In this file you can show the tailwindcss with DCUI. I recommend you use DCUI. You install DCUI from command prompt in your folder, your project. And next, byte setup. You can show my byte setup, what are the missing in your, what are the error facing for missing in byte setup in your project. You can show the what are missing. Next, index.html. You can show the index.html also.